Hello kids, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to learn ABCD but in small letter. Let's start. Pink color. A. A for aeroplane. A for aeroplane. B for butterfly. B for butterfly. C for carrot. C for carrot. D for dog. D for dog. Yellow color. E for eggplant. E for eggplant. F for fish. F for fish. G for God. G for God. H for hen. H for hen. Red color. I for ice cream. I for ice cream. J for joker. J for joker. K for kite. K for kite. L for lemon. L for lemon. Purple color. M for mango. M for mango. N for nose. N for nose. O for owl. O for owl. P for piano. P for piano. Green color. Q for queen. Q for queen. R for ring. R for ring. S for sister. S for sister. T for tomato. T for tomato. Blue color. U for umbrella. U for umbrella. V for village. V for village. W for watermelon. W for watermelon. X for xylophone. X for xylophone. Orange color. Y for yak. Y for yak. Z for zebra. Z for zebra. So kids, what we learn today? We learn about pink color, yellow color, red color, purple color, green color, blue color and orange color. Pink color, yellow color, red color, purple color, green color, blue color and orange color. A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y and Z. Now I know my ABC. So kids, hope you like my video. So please don't forget like, share and subscribe my channel. We will see you next video with new topic. Till then, bye.